Okay, fifth graders, we're starting, what is this, 3 dash, go back and look here, 3 dash 3, yeah. Oh, I'd already written it down, didn't even notice that. Yeah, starting 3 dash 3, and this is page 90, the very first page of 3 dash 3. So let's just take a look at this here for a moment. It says Miss Stockton ordered 6 boxes of T-shirts with a school name on them. Each box contains 26 shirts. How many T-shirts did she order? And it says here you can multiply using partial products. You can write and add the partial products in any order. So, and this whole section, 3-3, it's just multiplying double-digit, 2-digit numbers by a single-digit number. So it says one way to record a multiplication here, and so they've set it up here. It's 26 times 6, and partial products, it'd be 6 times 6, that's 36, and they've got that listed there. And then the 6 times the 2, that's actually 2 tens, and they have that there, 6 times 2 tens, that's 6 times 20, because 2 tens is 20, and that's 120. And then you just add up 36 and 120, and what do you get? 156. So you can see they're thinking in that way. And it says another way to record a multiplication here. They give you a couple different steps, and you guys could look at that and see if that makes it a little bit easier for you. And maybe there's a third way that you do that's different. So let's look at the convince me. It says a student did the calculation to the right. This is what I'm talking about here. Actually, I kind of cut it off down below. You can't quite see it, so that's why I pulled it over here. And what did the student do wrong, and what is the correct answer? So somebody multiplied 26 by 3, and they've got 98, and this is exactly what they've got there. What did they do wrong there? Well, the 3 times 6, that is 18. Put down the 8, carry the 1. And then what did they do? How did they get 9? Well, here's what they did. Here's what I'm thinking they did. They added the 1 to the 2, which made it 3. And then they did 3 times 3 is 9, and they got 98. So that's not correct. What they should have done is 3 times 2, which is 6, plus 1, and what would you get? So 26 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Put down the 8, carry the 1. I say carry the 1, actually it's like carrying 10. And then 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 more is 7, and the answer would be 78. Now, of course, you could check it. 26, 26, 26, and we could add 3 of those together. 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18. Put down the 8, carry that 10, or the 1, and 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 more is 7, and so we have the same answer here. All right. Next page. Another example they give. Find 4 times 156. So they did 4 times 6, which is 24. They carried the 2. They put down the 4, and they carried the 2, as you can see there. And then 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2 more is 22, so they put down the 2 and carried the other 2, as you can see there. And then finally, 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 more is 6, 624. All right. Let's see here. Using place value to use place value to explain each step in finding 3 times 2,746. I'm not quite sure what they mean by that, but let me give it a shot here. I think they mean 3 times what's the first place? What's this? 3 times the ones. And then 3 times what? The tens. And 3 times 100. Hundredths. And 3 times 1,000 place. Of course, each number is going to be a little bit different. The ones is what? That's going to be 6. The tens is what? That's the 4. The hundreds is 7. And the last place, the thousands place, is 2. All right. Use place value to explain each step in finding. So that's yeah, that works for me. Okay, so it says find each product. When you see the word product, you know that means multiplication. We're timesing something together. You guys can do all these. You should have been able to do these in 4th grade. Actually, maybe even 3rd grade. Let me pull one out here. Let's do one. How about, I don't know. Let's look at number 12 together here. So we have 1,445. And we're multiplying that by 5. Okay? 5 times 5 is what? 25. Put down the 5. Carry the 2. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 2 more is 22. Put down the 2. Carry the 2. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 2 more is 22. Put down the 2. Carry the 2. And then finally, 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 2 more is 7. There's your answer, 7,225. Problem solving. Let's take a look. Elephant seal is 14. Sports car is 15. 16 is bison. Use the information in the pictures below to find each mass. Oh, interesting. So, the zebra is 435 kilograms. A bison is 2 times as much as a zebra. How much is a zebra? 435. 435. And I'm going to add 435. Or actually, I suppose we could multiply. Let's do that. 435, since that's what this is about. Multiply that by 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Put down the 0. Carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. And then 2 times 4 is 8. So we have 870. So the bison is 870 kilograms. And then it says a sports car is 4 times as much as a zebra. Well, what's a zebra again? It's 435. That's going to be times 4. And then the last one, the elephant seal, is 8 times as much as a zebra. What do we have here? 435 times 8. And then you'll get the elephant seal. All right. So it looks like they're asking the weight of the elephant seal, the sports car, and the bison. All right. 17, model with math. Last year, Anthony's grandmother gave him 33 silver coins and 16 gold coins to start a coin collection. How nice would that be? I wish I had a grandmother like that. Now Anthony has 6 times as many coins in his collection. How many coins does Anthony have in his collection? Well, first off, they're just talking about total coins. They're not talking about silver coins or gold coins. They're just talking about total coins. So you're going to have to add 33 and 16 and then multiply that by what? 6 times as many. Complete the bar diagram to show your work. Coins to start, and then finally coins now. All right. 18, use distributive or commutative properties to complete the definition. Just go back a section, I think, or two. You can do that. And what else? Find the product. Higher order thinking. Do you think you could use multiplication algorithm? Oh my gosh, there's a college word. Algorithm. That's another way of saying formula. I mean, this is an algorithm, 435 times 4. So don't get freaked out when you see these fancy words. To multiply a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. Of course you could. Here's a 4-digit number. 8,223. And if I was going to use, multiply that by a 1-digit number, I could use 2. And I could do that. So yes, explain. You could do that. All right, that's it. Short video. And I don't think this homework's going to take you guys very long. Let me end this video.